Hello guys, welcome to my channel WinChem. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see Huckel molecular orbital theory and tricks already I said in the last video. Here we are going to see the problems related to that. Okay. So first problem is the energy difference between the HOMO and LUMO of allyl cation and allyl anion are the options are given. Okay. The first one is they are asking allyl cation and allyl anion. What is the structure for the allyl cation and allyl anion? This is the structure for the allyl cation and this is for allyl anion. Okay. How many electrons are there in this case? 2 electrons. In this case, 4 electrons are there. So, the remaining everything is same. Okay. Here 3 carbon atoms are there. So, 3 energy levels is there. Okay. 3 energy levels is there. First one is alpha plus root 2 beta. Here alpha minus 2 root 2 beta. Okay. 2 electrons are there. So, 2 electrons I have mentioned over here. And here, if you see that, the same, I don't want to write this one. I'll take it this value as it is. Okay, here 4 electrons are there. Here 4 electrons are there. Here alpha plus 2 beta, alpha. Here HOMO is, this is highly occupied molecular orbital. This is LUMO, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Here HOMO is this one and LUMO is this one. They are asking energy difference. They are asking energy difference of HOMO and LUMO. Difference we need to find out. So delta E, which is equal to LUMO minus HOMO we need to do. So alpha minus alpha plus 2 root beta. Okay. So alpha minus the minus sign get into that. So minus 2 root beta. This will get cancelled. Alpha will get cancelled. So answer is minus 2 root beta. Even this itself you can select the options, this one, but even then we will find this also. Okay, here if you find it delta E, okay, here HOMO is this, LUMO is this one. HOMO is, what is that? Alpha. Sorry, LUMO minus HOMO. LUMO is alpha minus root 2 beta minus LUMO is, HOMO is alpha. Okay. For this one I am doing. Okay, LUMO minus HOMO. Alpha minus 2 root beta minus alpha. So this will get cancelled. So delta E is equal to minus root 2 beta. These two will get cancelled. Okay, these two will get cancelled. So answer for these two is this one. Second sum, according to the Huckel molecular orbital theory, the beta value for ethylene is minus 30 kilojoule per mole. Find out the energy of photon that will excite from HOMO to LUMO. So they are asking ethylene molecule and the beta value is given. Okay, how to find out? Now ethylene is, what is that? What is the value for the ethylene? Ethylene will be alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta. Okay, this 2 energy levels will be there in that ethylene. So HOMO and LUMO they are asking. How many electrons are there in ethylene? 2 electrons are there. So this will be HOMO, highly occupied. This will be LUMO. Okay, the energy difference we need to find. Okay, what is the energy difference between these two? Here alpha minus beta minus alpha plus beta. So alpha LUMO minus HOMO, LUMO minus HOMO. So alpha minus beta minus alpha minus beta. So this alpha get cancelled. Plus and minus will get cancelled. Okay. So these two are minus 2 beta. This is the value for this one. Okay, delta E. Here already they mentioned beta is equal to minus 30. Okay, minus 30 kilojoule per mole. Okay, that is mentioned. So delta E they are asking. So delta E is equal to minus 2 into minus 30 kilojoule per mole. So what is that? 3 2s are 6 plus minus and minus plus kilojoule per mole. So what is this answer? This is the answer. Third problem. Correct statement about pi molecular orbitals of benzene is. Which is the correct statement? Now we have to see about the benzene. Only the lowest energy molecular orbital is doubly degenerate. Only LUMO is doubly degenerate. Only HOMO is doubly degenerate. both HOMO and LUMO are doubly degenerate. We need to see now. Okay, we'll see. Now we need to see the benzene. How to draw the, I already said the tricks in the last video. How to draw the benzene energy levels. Okay, how to draw the energy levels. See here, one of the corner it should touch the round. Okay, here one of the corners touched. One, this is second level, third, and this is fourth level. So two doubly degenerate orbitals are there. Two doubly degenerate orbitals are there. If you see for the cyclopropane, you know, cyclopropene and butadiene, cyclobutadiene, in these two cases only one doubly degenerate doubly degenerate will be there, but in the benzene two doubly degenerate is there. If you check in the earlier video, the tricks I said it clearly in that. Okay, two doubly degenerate is there. And HOMO LUMO, that we need to find out. How many electrons are there in the benzene? 6 electrons are there. Okay, we need to find the HOMO LUMO also. See, 6 electrons, 2, 4, 6. Okay, now we need to check which is HOMO. Highly occupied molecular orbital is HOMO, and lowest unoccupied molecular orbital is LUMO. Only the lowest energy molecular orbital is doubly degenerate. So lowest energy orbital is doubly degenerate? No, it is not a doubly degenerate. Only LUMO is doubly degenerate. The LUMO is doubly degenerate? Yes. But only they are mentioned. Only is not there. So this is also not there. Only HOMO is doubly degenerate. Only HOMO? Only HOMO? HOMO is degenerate but not only. Not only. So this is also wrong. Both HOMO and LUMO are doubly degenerate. Yes, both HOMO and LUMO are doubly degenerate. This D is the correct answer. Problem number 4. The energy of cyclobutadiene are alpha plus 2 beta, alpha, alpha, alpha minus 2 beta. The delocalization energy in the molecule is. This is the cyclobutadiene they are asking. Okay, so first we will draw the cyclobutadiene. How do we need to write the energy levels? I'll tell you clearly. Okay, this is a cyclobutadiene. One of the corner should touch the ring. Okay, one of the corner should touch the ring. So lowest one, 1, 1, 1. So like this you need to draw. Okay, alpha plus 2 beta, alpha, here alpha, and here also alpha. Another one is alpha minus 2 beta, the highest energy level. Okay, this is the energy levels. How many electrons are there? 2 plus 2, 4 electrons are there. Here 2 electrons will come. Here 1 electron, here 1 electron. Okay, so this is the 4 electron for cyclobutadiene. Delocalization energy in the molecule, what is that? That is what they are asking. What is delocalization energy? First we need to come to know what is delocalization energy. The delocalization energy means the difference in the energy of this cyclobutadiene minus of the separate two double bonds. Okay, the difference in the energy of, first I'll tell you, energy of this cyclobutadiene. Okay, I'll taking this, that's why I'm writing this compound itself. Energy of cyclobutadiene minus of energy of separate double bonds. Okay, energy of separate double bonds. How many bonds are there here? 2 bonds are there. Separately we need to find the energy and we need to find the difference. That is the delocalization energy. That's what they are asking here. Here what is that? First we will find the energy of a cyclobutadiene energy. I'll write it as E. What is the energy here? Here 2 electron is there. 2 into alpha plus 2 beta, plus here 1 energy, here 1 energy, plus alpha, here plus alpha, here 1 energy, here 1 electron is there. So up to level, this much level only the energies are there. Okay, so we will calculate 2 alpha plus 4 beta plus 2 alpha. So overall 4 alpha plus 4 beta. This is the energy level of the cyclobutadiene. Okay, this is the energy of cyclobutadiene. Separate 2 double bonds we need to find. What is that separate 2 double bonds? This is ethylene. First we will find out 1 ethylene and we need to multiply with the 2 so that we will get 2 double bonds of this butadiene. Okay, first 2 two double bonds we need to find. What is the energy level? Two energy levels are there. Okay, first level energy is alpha plus beta. I already said how to memorize this. They are very easy, we can memorize it. It's very difficult to do all the calculation, you know. It will be better you can remember by yourself. Two electrons are there for double bonds. Okay, two electrons, I'll make it like this. So only this alone I need to take it out. How many? Now we want to find the energy of this one. E is equal to 2 electrons are there. 2 into alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta. So 2 electrons means 2 alpha plus 2 beta will come. So this is for one double bond. We need to find out for two double bonds are here. So two double bonds means into 2. So what we will get? 4 alpha plus 4 beta. This is the energy of the separate double bond. What they are asking? Delocalization energy they are asking. Energy of the cyclobutadiene is this one. Energy of cyclobutadiene is alpha 4 alpha plus 4 beta. And what about the energy of this one? This is also 4 alpha plus 4 beta. Then what is the answer? 0. This is the answer. Next sum. The energy difference between HOMO and LUMO in cyclopropyl cation. Cyclopropyl cation. Okay. Propyl cation. See, cyclopropyl is like this. Okay. So cation will be there. Okay, add one. So this is the, we need to make a round so that we need 3 levels are there. What is the 3 levels? This is 3 levels are there. In that we need to find the energy difference between the HOMO and LUMO. We need to find the energy difference HOMO and LUMO. What is that here? Here it is, if it is a cyclic compound, the base one is, I already said the trick itself, that is the alpha plus 2 beta. This is the bonding molecular weight. The doubly degenerate, which is 1, is alpha minus beta. Okay. Alpha minus beta. How many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there. This is a cation, so 2 electrons are there. If it is anion, it is a 4 electron. So this is 2 electrons. So 2 electrons, I'll make it like this. They are asking the difference. This is highly occupied molecular orbital. This is unoccupied molecular orbital. Okay. Now we will find it. So alpha, we find the energy difference. Energy difference E is equal to LUMO minus HOMO. LUMO is alpha minus beta minus alpha plus 2 beta. Alpha minus beta minus alpha minus 2 beta. So alpha get cancelled. This is which is equal to minus 3 beta. And answer is minus 3 beta. Next sum. The degeneracy of cyclopropyl cation and anion are respectively. The degeneracy of cyclopropyl cation and anion. Both they are asking. Okay. In this case, cyclopropyl cation and anion is there. Okay. Cation 2 electrons, anion 4 electrons. So already said how to do this and all in the earlier video. If you want, you check the tricks in the earlier video. Okay. How many electrons are there in this? 2 electrons. So I'll fill 2 electrons here. And the 4 electrons for the cyclopropyl anion. So 4 electrons I filled in the ground state 2, and then the next doubly degenerate state is 1 and 1 electrons I filled it. So what they are asking is degeneracy. How many degeneracies are there? Here only one degeneracy is available. So here only we filled. Here in 2 states we filled. We the 2 levels we filled. So 2 degeneracy, one is singly degenerate, another one is doubly degenerate. So 2 degenerate levels are there. So 1 and 2. This is the answer. Okay. See, in this question, the number of nodes in the second excited state of butadiene. So number of nodes they are asking. Okay, number of nodes means, already I said in the tricks itself, nodes we can easily find out. Okay, the first one, see, this is the ground state and first excited state and second excited state. Okay, butadiene. If you draw this, nodes we need to find out. this is in exam, you know, if you are doing like this, it takes too much time, so no need to do like this, and easily you can say the first excited state is 0, second excited, ground state is 0, first excited 1, and second excited 2. We can easily say. Then this is also we can do. So 2, this is the answer, but I'll tell you how we are finding out the nodes also. Overall 4 states are there. Okay, 4 states are there. Here 3 nodes. They are asking, this is the ground state, first excited state, this is first excited state, and this is second excited state. Okay, this is the answer. How to find out the nodes? Here everything will be on the top overlapping. Here only one node will be there. Here and here only will be the cross. Remaining everything will be, everything will be bottom. If it is the same, there is no nodes. If it is a difference is there, then only here node will form. Okay, and here 2 nodes are there. 2 nodes means here and here will be a 2 nodes. These 2 are same. Here and here is different. 3 nodes are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 nodes are there. How? Here one node. Here is also one node. This is also opposite. So 3 nodes will be there. This is the answer for this question. 8th sum. One of the HMO, that is Huckel's molecular orbital of butadiene, is represented as phi 0.60 psi 1 plus 0.37 psi 2 minus 0.37 psi 3 minus 0.60 psi 4. The energy of this orbital is which energy is having this equation they are asking. That energy, they are given the energy level. Okay, we need to find out which energy is this. Okay, 4 energy levels they have given. I said earlier video itself the easy trick. What is that? You know, if you know this one, you can easily find out. You no need to remember this equation. It's very difficult. Okay, where it will minus sign, where it plus sign, we cannot come to know. This is easy. This is one node, 0, 1, 2, 3 node is easy. So according to that we can draw. If the overlap, that is shaded portion is in the top, then the equation will have a plus sign. If the shaded portion is the bottom, then the equation is having a minus sign. Okay. So if you see here, the first case is there is a no node, so the top portion completely shaded. The one node is there. If there is a difference is there, then the node will form. So, okay. So here top, here bottom. Then what they have given, if bottom means negative sign will be there. Where the 2 negative signs are there, so 2 bottom is there. In any other cases, if it is there or not, you can see it. It won't be there. Anyway, I will show it. Okay, 2 is there. So here top, bottom, here top. The 3 nodes are there, 1, 2, 3. So here top, bottom, it will be like this, it will be shaded. Okay. So if you see here, in anywhere, the last third and fourth carbon, any 2 are negative? No. Only in these cases, only two are negative. So what is this energy level? The first one is alpha plus 1.618 beta. Here alpha plus 0.618 beta. Next one alpha minus 0.618 beta. Here alpha minus 1.618 beta. If you see this level, what is the value? Alpha plus 0.1618 beta. So where it is alpha plus 618, alpha plus, we can make it as 0.62 beta. So alpha plus 62 beta is this one. This is the answer. 9th sum. The molecular orbital is represented as xi C1 pi 1 minus C2 pi 2. They are asking C1 and C2 are what? C1 and C2 are the coefficients. Okay. If 2 carbon atoms are there, then that is butadiene. You can easily say if 2 carbon atoms are there, what? Sorry, ethylene. 2 carbon atom means ethylene. Okay. We know that easily we can say that. In that ethylene, I already said in the previous video, the tricks also I explained clearly. Ethylene, the C1 which is equal to C2, that is 1 by root 2. Already I said. If in the case of a allyl group, you know, in the case of allyl group, the C1 which is equal to C3 and C2 is separate. C1 and C2 which is equal to 1 by 2 and C2 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, or we can say it as root 2 by 2. Both are equal. Okay. And butadiene, and for butadiene, already said this about in a previous video, you just check it. Okay. C1 and C4 which is equal to which is equal, and C2 and C3 is equal. That I'll set 0.357 and 0.602. Okay, already these are all I already said. For this case, this is the answer. Oh, this is the answer. We will see the next sum. In this 10th problem, the molecular orbital is represented as this. This corresponds to what? Which state this is? Which level is this? They are asking. Okay. A, ground level, HOMO, LUMO, or third excited state. If you see the 4 carbon atoms, the 4 carbon atoms, we can easily say that it is a butadiene. Okay. If 4 carbon atoms are there, then we can say that is butadiene. So next thing what we need to check. Second and the third carbon is negative. So second and the third carbon, when we will get the second and third carbon negative, and this status belongs to what? We know that 4 levels are there. Okay. Already, if you keep on watching, then it is very easy for you. One more level is also there. I'll just write, but it is not needed. In this case, we are sure that with the help of a node, we can easily say 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the node. This is the ground state. Okay. And this is first excited state. This is second excited state. This is third excited state. Keep that in the mind. The first one is a ground state. Don't think that is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. The first state, there is a no node. So there will be no negative charge. So this is not there. Leave it this one. Here all these are the top shaded one. Okay. And in the second case, only one node is there, and that 2 here. In that 2 and 3 will be change will be there. So one will be in the positive, another will be in the negative mode. Okay, this alone will change. Okay, only these two only negative charge. And in this case, 2 nodes are there. These will be in the positive, this will be negative, this will be negative, and this will be positive. So 2 and 3 in the bottom shaded. Wherever the bottom shaded, the negative charge, negative sign will be there. I already said in the last video. You just check the tricks in the last video. So whenever if you saw the tricks, this problem is easy to solve it. Once again, I'll tell you all the tricks. Those who are viewing this, they can come to know. See, these 2 are negative. So these 2 are negative. So this is which level is this? Second level. Otherwise, what they can explain? HOMO, LUMO. That also we can explain. HOMO, LUMO means butadiene. How many electrons are there? 4 electrons will be there in the butadiene. 4 electrons means 2, 4. Okay. This they are just there. We have to say 2, 4. So 4 electrons means this one is a LUMO. Sorry, HOMO. Highly occupied molecular orbital. Okay, highly occupied. This is LUMO. Okay. This is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. This is not occupied. Okay, these two levels are occupied. This second and the third excited state is not occupied. If you see that what the options are given, ground level it is not there. HOMO it is not there. And which one we said? This level is answer. What is that? LUMO we can say. Otherwise, what we can say otherwise? If they are giving a LUMO, that is also over. Otherwise, second excited state we can say. We can say it as second excited state. So you need to be very careful. You have to know very well about the LUMO and excited state. Whatever options they may give, be clear about it. Okay. Next question, the energy difference between the ground level and the HOMO in butadiene system. Here, I'm solving all the possibility questions. Okay. So, I'm not solving more questions, but whatever the questions I'm solving, which is different from the other questions. Energy difference between ground state and the HOMO in the butadiene case. The butadiene case means only 4 carbon atoms. So, 4 levels are there. This is only butadiene. If it is in the cyclobutadiene, that is different. Okay, that will be in only 3 levels will be, we can say. Okay, if you see this one, butadiene, 4 levels are there. The first one is alpha plus 1.618 beta, alpha plus 0.618 beta, alpha minus 0.618 beta, alpha minus 1.618 beta. Okay, this is the 4 levels. In butadiene, 4 electrons will be there. Okay, this is the butadiene, 4 electrons will be there. So 2, 4. What they are asking, energy difference between these two, ground state and HOMO, highly occupied molecular orbital. this is highly occupied. These two difference they are asking. Okay, energy E is equal to energy difference, delta E is equal to, these two we need to write it. So alpha plus 0.618 beta, this one, minus alpha, we can write it like this, and then I'll insert the negative sign inside the equation. Okay, like this. First I'll write it down, and then minus alpha minus 1.618 beta. If you see in this case, the alpha will get cancelled. In these two difference, what is the difference? 618 beta, 618 beta, that will also get cancelled. Only what is there? Only 1 is there. Only 1 beta is there. If you do it like this, 1.618 beta, 0.618 beta, what will be the answer? 1 beta. And you see minus here. So minus. What is the answer? Minus 1 is the answer. 12th question. Number of degenerate levels in cyclopentadienyl anion and benzene are. So cyclopentadienyl, I already said how to check the levels. Cyclo, both are cyclic compound. Okay, put a round for two things. I put a round. One of the corner should touch this one. Okay, touch the ring. So cyclopentadienyl, this is cyclic pentadienyl compound. Okay, this is cyclopentadienyl anion. Another one is benzene. So we can write the levels now. Here 1, 2, 3. This is singly degenerate. This is doubly degenerate. They are asking number of degenerate levels in cyclopentadienyl anion. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. Here also 4. So 4 levels are there. Here 3 levels are there. So now we need to check what is the answer. So doubly degenerate, here they are asking degenerate levels. But degenerate level means we can write here as a 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4 like that. But that option is not there. So what they are mentioning here is a doubly degenerate only they are mentioning over here. So what is the, which one, how many doubly degenerate orbitals are there here? Here also 2 doubly degenerate orbitals are there. Here also 2 doubly degenerate orbitals are there. So what is the answer here? 2, 2. This is the answer. 13th sum, given that some of the data is given here, beta value, cyclobutadiene. Cyclobutadiene is how it looks, how it is. Paramagnetic and its lower absorption is 150, or paramagnetic and its lower absorption energy is 75 kJ per mole, or diamagnetic and its lower absorption is 75 kJ per mole, or diamagnetic and its energy is 150 kJ per mole. That is the question they are asking. What is that? What is that they are asking? Here mole is there. Okay. So butadiene, cyclobutadiene, we know that 4 energy cyclo. It is cyclo means 3 levels are there. Okay, 3 levels are there. So here 1, 4 electrons are there. So first one is alpha plus 2 beta, alpha, here alpha minus 2 beta. Okay, already said the ground status will be alpha plus 2 beta for all the cyclo compounds. All the cyclo compounds. So what is the energy difference from LOMO and so it is this single electron is there, so it is paramagnetic. So we can omit these two options. So this is paramagnetic. In these two, which one? The single electron is there, that's why paramagnetic. So energy difference we need to find for HOMO and LUMO. So alpha minus 2 beta minus alpha, which is equal to minus 2 beta. Beta value is 2 into 75, minus 75 they have given. So it is 150 kilojoule per mole. So what is that? The absorption value is 150 kilojoule per mole. So this is the answer. Please subscribe my video and click bell button so that you will get upcoming videos.